Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blue screen error in Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. Okay? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently at this window. If you don't know how to go to this specific window, all you got to do is restart your device using the power button. Okay? When it tries to log you in again, just try to press the restart button for about 3 times. And the 4th time, you'll now be able to see this specific window. Okay, so once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on troubleshoot, like so, advanced options right here, and then go ahead and click on startup repair. Okay, just basically follow simple prompts, click on it. It's pretty simple. And once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, we'll go ahead over to uninstall updates. Okay, you can click on it and basically uninstall all latest quality updates. Also latest feature updates, okay? As Windows updates might have caused your blue screen. Now, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, go ahead and go back. And here we have, now the next video I'm going to talk about using command prompt, but in this video, I'm just going to show you the simple fixes, okay? So the last option here for you is go ahead and click on System Restore. So just click on it, wait for it to load. Now, if you do have a System Restore point, well, you can just go ahead and click on it, and please do subscribe. Then just go ahead and hit on next, and it will automatically restore the state where your computer is working properly. All right, that's basically that. Now, if you don't have a restore point, okay, the last fix here for you is you can go ahead and go to troubleshoot once more, and then just click on reset this PC. Okay, you can go ahead and remove everything, or if you have important files, you can just go ahead and click on keep my files. All right. Follow simple prompts. It's pretty easy, and you don't have to be a wizard to do this, okay? And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all else fails, by the way, you can just go ahead and reinstall Windows entirely. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, you can go ahead and watch YouTube videos on how to install an operating system using your flash drive, as that would be easier. Or if you don't want to do the work, you can just go ahead and get it repaired by a local technician, as they're going to check if there are hardware faults, okay? And install a fresh OS for you. That is it. That is how you fix blue screen error in Windows. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.